Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to clean this file. So because I set this up for you already, all we have to do is take these and double click and drag down. And now H is going to be the cleanest thing we have. Now over here, since we don't have those, if you're clever enough, you can just go over here, copy this formula. Got to copy all of them. And go over here. And then you can just drag them down. Okay. You want to drag each one down, not just the last one, because if you just drag the last one down, here's what happens. Nothing, because there's nothing here. So we want to grab all of them. And again, we want the last one. And yes, there's still some messy stuff over here, still some messy stuff. But for the purpose of this assignment, I do not need you to clean this up. If you want to clean this up by creating another substitute for different things, more power to you. Let me know you did that, and I'll sing your accolades whenever you're looking for a job in the future. But just know for this assignment, you are not required to continue your work after this point with the substitutes and cleaning. Okay, so now we have about Mandrill and about other, something else. We've got these app tokens to deal with here. Now remember, I'm just showing you this because some of you like to look at this stuff. As I was saying in class, this is the stuff that took us forever to do in class. Because people would always be looking at this. What does this mean? You know, why is there a 0 here? But then when I get down here, there's all these formulas up here. You know, I cut all that with that trick in Microsoft Word. Okay, so here's what we're going to do here. We don't need any of this. So we're going to delete it all. I just want to delete the whole thing out. You can either do a new sheet if you want, or what, and we're going to do it here too. I wanted to just show you what it used to look like. So now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this sentence here, or these sentences here, all the way down. So 150 in each row. We'll open up Word. And if you need to be shown this again, don't worry, I got you covered. We're going to paste this down. Okay. Now remember, it's going to be in table format. We want to copy all this, or at least hit up here so it's all grayed. Hit Control F. If you're using a PC, we're going to go down to Find and Replace, and we're going to look for a space, because that's what the word in the human or English language, there's a space there. We're going to go down here for More, Special, Paragraph, Replace All. You should have 2,464. Hit yes just to make sure. Close, copy, go back to Excel, and punch it in here in A2. Why A2? Because we need the header for token, and we need length. Okay. For good data ink, we'll bold that so nobody's super confused. And yes, I know there are some spaces that are empty. That's fine. I also know that there's some nasty stuff in here, like URLs that we weren't able to cut. Okay? Maybe you want to cut them. Maybe you want to do a find for all that stuff and be clever about it and replace all that. It's up to you, but not needed in this assignment. In fact, you will not get the same results as me if you do it that way. Okay. Next thing we want to do, the same thing here, just copy all this. And just to be clean about it, I'm going to open up a new sheet. I'm going to paste here. We'll do Control F, do the replace. We will do a space. We'll get that paragraph mark. We'll hit replace all. 1940, hit done, hit copy, and we'll bring it over to that. Remember A2 because we want to put token, and we want to put length, and we'll double that up. Now let's hit save. Don't forget to be hitting that save button. Okay, and we'll move on to the next thing in just a moment.